Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin privileges for the business manager. Once confirmed, open business. Facebook. Calm and go straight to settings, don't detour. Make sure you've backed up pages, add accounts, pixels, and any shared assets so nothing is lost. If other admins exist, transfer assets or notify them now. Once done, check billing for outstanding invoices and resolve them so deletion won't be blocked. You'll proceed to the removal sequence next. Now, systematically remove and reassign linked assets so Facebook won't block removal. Go to Accounts and transfer each page and add account to another business manager or change primary owner. Then delete or disassociate pixels, catalogs, and apps you control. This prevents orphaned resources. Remove users and partner integrations in People and Partners. Start by taking yourself off shared roles after reassignments are complete. Make sure no active apps. To finish, open business info in Settings and select Permanently Delete Business. You'll be prompted to confirm by typing the business name and acknowledging asset loss. Do that carefully and submit. Facebook sends a confirmation. Save that email and note the deletion timestamp. If you can't delete, check for unresolved assets, unpaid invoices, or that you still have admin rights. Often one leftover ad account or a missing ownership transfer blocks it. If problems persist, reassign assets or contact support with the confirmation details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.